What's up, guys? We just pulled up to Olympus Park. Has a perfect little bowl. I got my nephew Owen here. What's up, dude?
Hi.
So we're gonna go check it out, get a little skating in, see how it goes.
Okay, see ya.
All right, we just got done skating Olympus. That bowl is awesome. It's so much fun. One day I'm actually gonna learn to skate it like a bowl and not just like 2 mini ramps, but I'm not there yet. Owen was getting back into the transition world, but he wasn't doing so bad. Got to skate with some cool guys, got some cool tricks out there. Hopefully you guys liked the video. See you next time.